you don't know already, I was in the market to buy a new house, and we now got it after nearly 3 months of waiting for the mortgage process and everything. We've now got a house. It's a 3-bedroom home, and we're very excited, and we literally just got our keys. So this is our first time of us seeing it, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. So first things first, as you see the hallway as we came through, and then we're gonna make some changes. It's not gonna stay like this, but it's nice already as it is, but we will change like the carpets in the hallway and the wallpaper perhaps. But the flooring we're gonna keep because it's lovely, and we're gonna probably change the fireplace. And so yeah, this is the living room. It's nice and big. And then you come through to the dining room. I'm gonna close this for confidential purposes. And then this is, yeah, the dining room. And then we've got this lovely archway here, which we're keeping. We're probably painting it, but I'm not sure yet. And then as you come through to the kitchen, oh my goodness, what have they left? Oh guys, they left us a cute card. Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, they just told us a bit about themselves. They've lived here for such a long time. What's this? Give us a bottle of bubbly. Can't wait to open that later. And yeah, as you come through, this is the kitchen. And we kept the fridge because they asked if we wanted to buy it, and then we bought it. So we don't have to get a new fridge now. And yeah, this is the kitchen. I need to get keys for the garden, but yeah, it's a nice sized kitchen. And as we come through, I'll show you upstairs. Just go upstairs. Again, I'll be changing the carpets. I think it's always good, isn't it, to change it when you get a new home. And then first things first, we've got here a nice closet, cupboard, where the radiator, where the boiler is. And here's the bathroom. We've got a bath. We'll probably change some things about the bathroom as well. It's looking a bit tired, so we will probably change the bath and toilet, but we're not sure yet. And then if you come through this way, we've got, guys, I'm gonna close this again. I've got some lovely plans for this room. I think this will be my beauty slash crafts, like arts and painting and all that, and filming room. So stay tuned for that. Oh, I forgot to show you the nice little cupboard here as well. It's a lovely sized cupboard. And then if you come through, this is another bedroom, and this is where David will film his podcast with his friends. If you don't know about David's podcast, it is T-Top, Talk of Proverbs on YouTube. So I'll link it down below if you're interested. And this is the cupboard. It's actually huge as well, isn't it, David? Mm-hmm. Right, if you come through this way, this is the master bedroom, which has got an enormous amount of space for my clothes. I can't wait.
Our clothes.
Yes. They left this as well, that's good. Extra storage. So yeah, it's absolutely huge and we love it. And let's just go downstairs and I'll show you the garden.
New fence.
Is that new? thought it was because I was like, it's looking different because this way had that thing on top, didn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, welcome to the garden. Wow. Lovely shed. I swear that shed was bigger before.
Yeah.
Wasn't it red?
I don't know.
I swear it was big and red. I can't remember now. Come through, guys. What a lovely greenhouse. Oh wow, they left all the shelving in there. That's amazing. It's huge. What
It
am I
is
gonna
quite
do
big,
with all
actually.
that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Goodness. And we've got another shed and a garage. We want to put table tennis in there, guys, to have all the games. It's going to be lovely. We've got a lovely owl there and a bird bath. Oh, they left the bed. Oh, I'm so happy.
We also have another shed round here.
Yes. Oh, very good, Dad.
Oh, that one needs pushing over though.
It needs what?
Pushing over.
Really?
It's had
Do you
it.
think? Oh.
We need to get rid of that one.
Oh no. Wait, it's so lovely, looks so nice. I swear it looks all nicer than when we first. So everyone, this was it for the empty house tour. What did you think? Did you like it? I love it. It's our first ever home and I'm just so excited for all the memories and everything that we'll do to the place, and I'm over the moon. I just can't wait. You can probably tell how excited and happy I am. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed.
Why are you out of breath?
Well, yeah, if you guys.
Sorry guys, I just walked up the stairs.
So if you guys enjoyed this empty house tour, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos, as we're going to be doing a lot of work here, and then there's also moving day and you'll see what I do to the place. So yeah, please make sure to give it a the bloopers.
Yeah, thumbs up.
I've already said that though. So yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.